Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel, Colorido. Today I'm going to show you the quality of our digital printing socks. Before us, there is a cup of hot water and a wash bowl of room temperature water. And we also got two pairs of socks, one of terylene and one of cotton. At first, I'm going to test the air permeability of these socks. So I'm gonna use this sock to cover the cup. Now you can see steam going through the cotton socks. Next, it comes to a terylene one. And I'm gonna do it one more time. We still see steam above it. So this test tells us that our socks are of good air permeability. And these socks can transmit moisture vapor direct through the material outwards to prevent sweat accumulation and keep you comfortable. There I'm going to test whether colors will fade away while we are washing our socks in room temperature water. So I'm gonna immerse our cotton socks into the water and then rub it. See, the water remains clean and the colors of our socks didn't fade away. And then we are going to wash the terylene sock. See, the water is still clean. Based on the two tests we have done today, I think you won't worry about the color retention or air permeability issues anymore, right? So much for today. If you have anything else you wanted to know, please subscribe our channel for weekly news, or you can contact us through the email or other links right below. See you next time.